In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to change the App Store icon into a Play Store icon on your iPhone in just a few seconds. Let's get started. First up, you'll need this shortcut app. This is the default app in your device. In case you cannot find this app, you can head over to App Store, search for the app and then download it. Now, launch your preferred browser and search for a Play Store icon. After it appears, download it. Once you do that, close this, launch your shortcut app. Now at the top right, you're gonna find this plus icon, click on that. Now click on the option Open App. Click on the option App and select App Store. Now click on this eye icon given at the bottom middle, then select the option Add to Home Screen. Now here, give it a name. I'm gonna give it as Play Store. Now click on this icon, select the option Choose Photo. Now go ahead and select the Play Store icon from your gallery, click on Choose, click on Add. Now you'll see a Play Store icon sitting on your iPhone's home screen. The best part is that whenever you tap it, it will open App Store instantly. So that's a wrap for this video. This way you are able to change the App Store icon into Play Store on your iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.